What's up, guys? Josh Hansen here. Just kind of getting back into this whole Supercross. Getting to meet up with the MotoSport guys this week and doing a little bit of riding out at Milestone as well as the Cali Track, and getting ready for the Red Bull Straight Line and Monster Cup. That's what's next for me. So we're I'd say about 3 weeks out. So it's grind time right now. So. After Supercross, I ended up doing kind of the Freeriding thing, and got to go make some trips up to Oregon with the motorsport people, and that's to me is just the best riding ever. Now getting back in the swing of things, the Supercross, it's crazy all the work that I did last year and how much you lose just trying to get back into it and how tired I feel. I busted my butt day in, day out. And then within a couple weeks, all that work can be gone. So it's crazy. I haven't been on this side of the fence to work hard and then to see it go away. So it's the first time. As far as next year, 2016, I look at trying to do my own team. Same thing next year. Just trying to get contracts down right now and to keep moving forward and make my stuff a little stronger. Just preparation and just team-wise, everything, kind of have my stuff together. First year is always kind of a little bit of a mess, getting to know what's right from wrong. So I kind of was able to learn that this year. So now it's time just to move forward and keep plugging away. Kind of know where I stand with other people. It's been some years since I raced, so it was good to kind of get my feet wet and to kind of know where I'm at. I need to get some results this year. That's definitely. I'm not getting any younger, so it needs to happen. I think I'm like a dad to most of these kids, so I need to set daddy rules and start doing well so I can show these kids, this is what you're supposed to do. If I'm sitting here getting 8th place, I'm not showing these kids what you're supposed to do. So there's a lot of room for improvement for 2016.